In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with CPA marketing. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. As you can see, these are my statistics right here, and I'm going to show you how you can also start earning passive income with CPA marketing. So I'm going to refresh the page real quick for those who might be doubting or think this is a fake or screenshot. So I'm going to be walking you through how you too can start doing this with CPA marketing. Okay, so basically, as you can see right here, almost $500 right here in just 3 days. So I'm going to be walking you how you can also start generating this and start getting high conversion rate, like over 40%. So what you are going to do is very simple. So the first step is to basically create a Cpagrip account if you don't have one already. And all you need to do is to come over to cpagrip.com and you want to click on register right here. And once you do that, basically all you just need to do is to enter your basic details. So basically this is all you need to do. So once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on the register now button and you'll get accepted right away. So once you have your account created, you want to come over to this section that says offer tools and you want to click on my offers. So once you do that, you'll be brought to a page where it's going to display offers that are available from various countries, and you can come over here and select any country of your choice. So I'm going to be taking United States right here as an example. So once you select United States, you are going to see a bunch of offers available to people in United States. What you're going to do here, I'm going to show you a powerful trick that you can use to get people to complete these CPA offers. So I'm going to take this offer here as an example. If I click on this offer is going to pay $2 for everyone you get to submit their emails. So the next step now is to go over to this website called bio.link. And don't worry, I'm going to show you a completely different strategy that you can use to start getting leads from today. So once you come over to BioLink, all you just need to do is to type in your username right here to create an account. And I'm going to be typing freebies for all as an example right here. So I'm going to click on claim my link. So once you create your account, you want to add a profile picture by coming over to design right here, and you'll be able to add a profile picture. And to get this type of icon, you can come over to flaticon.com. You want to type in giveaway in the search box right here, and you are going to have access to all of these giveaway icons that you can use for absolutely free. So now the next step is to come over here and you want to click on add link. And now to do that, you want to go back to your Cpagrip account. And now this offer right here says enter for a Allure Beauty box. So you want to copy the offer title right here and you want to paste it right here. So the next step now is to copy the URL to the CPA offer. So once you go back to Cpagrip and you want to copy the link to this CPA offer, then you want to head over to a website called Tiny URL and you want to paste in the link to the CPA offer right here, and you want to click on make tiny URL. You want to copy the shortened link and you want to come back and then you want to paste in the shortened CPA link right here. And now in front of the title of the offer, you are going to type in 10 left. Okay, so basically this is just to increase curiosity and make people complete this offer as fast as possible. And now you want to click on save, and now you want to repeat the same process for about 5 CPA offers. Okay, so basically you can write random numbers right here. It doesn't have to be these exact figures. Okay, so once you're done, so now the next step is to go over to canva.com. And once you come over to canva.com, you want to come to this section that says custom size. And now you want to select 1000 by 1000 pixels and you want to click on create design. So once you do this, you want to go back to cpagrip.com. Since this is the first CPA offer right here, you want to basically save this image to your device. So once you save the preview image to your device, you want to go back to Canva and you want to upload the preview image. So once you upload the image, you want to drag and drop the image right here. So basically this is a preview of the landing page right here. So the next step is to come over to element and you want to type in button right here. So once you type in button, you are going to see this button right here. You can use this for absolutely free. So you want to drag and paste the button right here. Okay, so now the final step is to type in book now. Okay, so once you type in book now, you are going to see a lot of elements that you can use right here. So I'm going to grab this one as an example and I'm going to paste it right here. So now once everything looks good like this, you are done. You want to click on this share button right here. So now you want to click on this download right here and you want to scroll down and you want to save this as a GIF. So while that is downloading, you want to head over to this website called jiffy.com. So this website right here, share GIF content. As you can see right here, you can upload your own GIF content to this website. And if you go over to similarweb.com, this website gets over 20 million visits every month. And you can guess where majority of its traffic is from: United States. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can leverage the free traffic from this website and start making money. So you want to basically come over to this section that says upload. And once you do that, you want to choose upload as GIF and you want to click on choose file. So now once you do that, it's going to ask you to create an account, and all you just need to do is to click on create an account. So once you upload your account, you are going to see the image you just uploaded right here. So now for the add a source URL, you want to go back to your bio.link and you want to click on share. And you want to click on copy my link and you want to paste in your URL right here. And keep in mind, once people click on this link, it is going to take them to this landing page where they are going to see this offer right here. Okay, so now the next step you are going to do is to basically add in tags right here, and you want to type in tags that are related to this CPA offer right here. As you can see, this is a beauty CPA offer right here. So you want to type in beauty right here, and you want to type in other related tags like giveaway, freebies. And once you're done, you want to make sure this is selected to public and you want to click on upload to Jiffy. And now you can see upload complete. Okay, if you want to repeat the same process, you want to download this image right here by basically right click and you want to click on save image. Okay, so once you save image to your device, you want to repeat the same process and you want to share this link. So the purpose of this is to basically send people to this offer page right here where they can complete other CPA offers. So basically, once people who are interested in this beauty box decide to click on the link, they are going to be brought to this page right here where they can also complete other CPA offers right here. So literally you need about 100 people a day to complete these CPA offers for you to make at least $200 every single day. And other alternative platforms you can use is tenor.com, and also you can use imgur.com, and imgur.com gets over 100 million visits every single month, as you can see right here if you go to similarweb.com. And also you can see where most of its traffic is from. Over 30% is from United States alone. So basically you want to share the image across these platforms, and I can assure you that if you keep at it, you are going to get organic traffic and you are going to start getting conversions on your CPA account. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on the video. I really appreciate it, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.